Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I thought you guys might want a 1-month follow-up on my Galaxy Z Fold 4 that I purchased pre-owned from plug.tech, and I made a video on that, unboxing it, checking it out, and my first impressions and all that kind of stuff. And while I haven't been using this phone for the entire time, I have been using it probably about 75% of the time. I used it for about the first 2 weeks that I had it, and then I switched to check out some stuff on my iPhone. And then when I had to send my iPhone in for repair, I've been using this one for a week again, and I have not had any issues with this phone whatsoever. It's back to the stock wallpaper just because I applied some custom icons and it went back to the stock wallpaper when I did that, and I didn't notice and never changed it back. But nonetheless, we are running some custom icons here and just some widgets on the home screen, but no issues with the phone. I did do some checks on the battery health, and it looks like we're about 98% on the battery health, which is not bad at all. I want to say this phone is probably about a year old at this point. It looks like when I got it, it was last updated around August, so it looks like it probably sat for a couple months before it got sold to me. I do have the screen protector on the front here. This is just one of the speaking screen protectors that I had laying around, and then I did pick up the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the inner display because when they inspected it, I'm guessing they took the inner display screen protector off. I don't think it was taken off before that because the screen was in perfect condition. It was clean. There were no scratches, nothing like that. So I don't think it was the original user that took it off. I think Plug may have taken it off when they were inspecting the device. The tech probably didn't know that you aren't supposed to take those off, and they probably just removed it as a normal process that they would do on other phones if they had screen protectors to check for any underlying screen damage. Not a big deal though, 20 bucks. I put it on myself, and it's had no issues whatsoever. Only other thing I've done is I did put a skin on the back. This is the same skin that I use on my Galaxy S24 Ultra right here. It is a Soapy Guard skin. These are about half the price of a D-brand skin. I think these are like $12, $13, and I think this one was like $9 for the Fold 4. So pretty good deal. No issues with it. You can kind of see some spots right there. That was just for me installing it. I got my nail caught right there, and it kind of snagged a little bit, but other than that, it went on perfect. It looks pretty good in my opinion because I'm not very good at putting these on, so I'm quite happy with that. I put it on a couple days ago, and it's really looking good. Other than that though, the phone is in excellent condition. No scratches or anything like that. And like I said, I did pick this up for like $479, I think it was, $479, $489, and I got the $45 1-year protection plan, which covers accidental damage, and then all of the plug.tech devices come with a 1-year warranty as well. Not sponsored by plug.tech or anything. I did purchase this myself. I do have an affiliate link for them, which I'll put down below. So if you want to go check out their website, they don't have any Fold 4s in stock right now, I don't think, but they do get some in time to time, and they do have quite a rotating inventory of Android devices and iPhones down to the iPhone 11, iPhone XR, iPhone 12, 13, 14, all kinds of stuff like that. That are in very good condition at a great price. But like I said, they have a quite a good rotating inventory of Android devices from Pixels to like S20s, S21s, S23 Ultras. I think I even saw an S24 Ultra, or sorry, S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra. They've had a couple S23 Ultras recently, but very nice, and they are at a great deal on there in my opinion. I think under $500 for this phone is great. It still updates. It's got One UI 6.0 with the 6.1 update coming here soon. Android 14. It'll probably get Android 15, all for about I think $1,500 less than what this one would have been, because this is a 512 model. So this one would have been close to $2,000 a year and a half ago when it was new. So very good deal in my opinion. I just wanted to give you guys an update on this, how it's holding up. I'm using it as my daily driver right now. So very good phone. Very impressed with it. Very happy at the deal. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.